It was still summer. I was on the couch feeling apathetic about not having published a video in 3 months and completely drained by the infernal Italian summer heat. That's when an idea hit me. The idea is a new side project, a small open source software project. Hi, this is Vida Liners. My name is Fabio Formosa. I'm a technical product owner and a software engineer. About a year ago, I made a video on this channel explaining what the N+1 query problem is. And what is it? It's that issue you can encounter developing your software, and that's when you think you have performed a query to fetch some data, but surprisingly, you have made tens or 1,000 or 10,000 of queries to fetch those data. Initially, you don't get it in the dev environment, but in the production environment, increasing the amount of data stored in your database, the system looks incredibly slow. So, since that video, have we solved the N+1 query problem around the world? Not even close. That's when I thought, why not develop a testing library that helps us to identify whether our projects are affected by the N+1 query problem.
I had a revelation, a vision, a picture in my head.
Once released this library, we may import it as a dependency, we can run tests, and in few seconds we can get an indication whether our projects are healthy or they are suffering about the problem I just mentioned earlier. I will call it N+1 Query Problem Detector or N+1 Query Problem Sonar, rather. I don't know, I don't have a clear idea about the name, I will think about it later. It will be my new side project that I will be working on over the next days in my free time. Nevertheless, I'm going to create a project with a limited scope. I would like to approach it with an organization that reflects at small scale the life cycle of a software delivery initiative. So sometimes I will wear the hat of the product owner and some other times the hat of the developer. In addition to create a Git public repository, I will create a project board to document the evolution of the project from a product vision perspective, and of course I will share all design challenges and all problems I will meet developing it. More specifically, I would like to share what being a technical product owner means, and which is the role I assumed since 2022 in the company which I work on. And we will see that it's like being a product owner, but in a context where the product is a library or a testing library, as the case of this project. And we will see that it requires skills that are similar to the skills of a traditional product owner, plus all the knowledge of an expert software engineer. Well, Fabio, what about the success metrics of this project? One only: being enjoyed and reach the finish line. So the question now could be, aren't you interested in the library being adopted? Oh, of course. I would be very pleased if at the end I will have created something that can help developers and development teams, and something that can have a positive impact on the quality of software delivered around the world. But this is not my first side project, and not even the second or third one. And I learned in the past from my other side project that working on this kind of project in the free time means dealing with a very limited energy budget, and working for a long time without dopamine, without any feedback or any validation. So again, the main goal for me for this project is reach the end of the project. Of course, I have some other collateral goals that can be learning something new, improve my communication skills, and improve my English, of course. And last but not the least, try to inspire young people in the IT world to express themselves through side projects. I really believe on the importance of side projects on the careers. I plan to make 4 videos. In the first one I will start a small discovery, because I need to elaborate a little bit the idea I had on the couch, to break it down into smaller tasks. In the second video I will create the project board, so I will create the milestones, the epics and the development tasks. And in the third video I will share some coding about the activities for the first milestone. In the fourth video I would like to share how to create a CI/CD pipeline to release the library into the Maven central repository. Folks, if you like to see all steps of a software delivery from its inception, subscribe to the channel, give me a like to these videos for supporting me in aligning bits to solve the N+1 query problem. See you!